Welcome to the Banker Lamp. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to use Canva templates. Canva provides a vast library of professionally designed templates, offering thousands of options for nearly any project you can imagine. These templates are a fantastic starting point, saving you significant time and effort. They give your designs a polished, professional look right from the beginning, allowing you to focus on your unique message and content. Let's dive into how to find and select the perfect template for your needs. Finding the right template is simple. From the Canva homepage, you can use the powerful search bar to look for specific types of designs, like Instagram post or presentation. You can also browse by category. Once you have your search results, utilize the filters on the left-hand side to refine your options by style, theme, or even color. Take a moment to preview several templates to ensure their layout and overall aesthetic align with your vision before you commit. Once you've selected a template, the real fun begins: customization. Canva's intuitive drag-and-drop interface makes editing incredibly easy. Simply click on any element, be it text, an image, or a graphic, to modify it. You can change fonts, adjust colors, replace images with your own, and even add new elements from Canva's extensive library. Remember to upload your brand's specific logos and color palettes to maintain consistency across all your designs. After perfecting your design, saving and sharing are the final steps. Canva automatically saves your progress as you work, so you never have to worry about losing your creative efforts. When you're ready, click the Share button in the top right corner. You can download your design in several formats, including high-quality PNGs, JPEG, or PDF. Additionally, you can share directly to social media platforms or invite team members to collaborate on your project.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.